Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody's trying to remove the background of a shirt like this. And for the one I'm doing it for, I didn't use the shirt you sent me. I just went to the internet and found a shirt with a collar. And I just picked the first one. It's not a perfect, it's not all that clear, but it will work. This will be the easiest thing you'll ever do. I made it really small. You can enlarge it later. I grab it, and you can see the bitmap white layer. And I'm just going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. It's going to do it pretty quick. It's already done it. I'm going to move the new one out of the way. Now, it's a trace, so it's just basically an outline of the shirt. Take a rectangle, take your Smart Fill tool. I'm just going to use that blue. I'm going to move it over. I'm going to use the same blue to fill that in. Then I'm going to move that over on my original. I'm going to grab both these, and I do have my yellow box locked, so I can't grab it, and just go right here to the intersect tool. And in that quick, it made that t-shirt without a background on it. And then at that time, you can make it in whatever size you want. Really, really easy. If you look at it, that's pretty outstanding. Anyway, I hope that was what he was asking, and thank you for watching.